Today I thought I'd show you a little custom phone holder that I'm gonna make. So as you can see, I already cut this out. I just bought one of those stick-on phone holders and cut it out to a little square. Took out my piece from the Subaru. This is basically on the left side right there. I drilled a little hole right there, and I'm about to stick it on. Now that I have it stuck on, as you can see, it looks pretty decent. This one is adjustable, so you can move it around however you want, and it's really not eye gouging like the other one of sticking up top. But I'm about to drill into it from the back a little bit. Let's see if you can see. Yeah, through that hole, and then I'm gonna put a little screw in there, and it's not gonna be moving anywhere. And here we go. It has been mounted up on there. In my opinion, I think it looks pretty good. And there's a little screw that I put in through the back. So let's go put it in the car. So in the car, here it is. It's coming back in. It's on the left side right here. And this literally just pops back into place. Pretty simple. There is one screw right here you have to put back in. Once that's in, this little piece just snaps back in. Let's see. Make sure the holes are lined up. There we go. So it is fully done now. And as you can see, this piece right here is adjustable.